Looking for an e-bike to breeze through city streets? We've ranked the top e-bikes to make urban commuting faster, easier, and more enjoyable. From foldable models to cargo haulers, this list has a battery-powered option for riders of all kinds. We'll count down the 10 best e-bikes for navigating crowded downtowns, conquering hills, and eliminating sweaty arrivals.
Rediscover the joy of riding with the Velotric Go 1, which is a game changer in the world of e-bikes. It is a high-quality, versatile, as well as affordable, empowering riders to embark on adventures every day. Powered by the proprietary VeloPower H50 drive system, the Go 1 stands out from its competitors with more power, greater range, and an overall more enjoyable riding experience. With a powerful 500-watt motor and an impressive 55-mile range, you can go on longer journeys without worrying about running out of power. Aside from that, it has a remarkable payload capacity of 440 pounds, so it's perfect for commuting and bringing along everything you need. Safety is also a top priority for Velotric, and it's evident in the thoughtful design for the Go 1. The bike's lightweight construction contributes to its maneuverability, making it easy to handle even in urban environments. Its safety features extend to its braking system with hydraulic disc brakes that offer reliable stopping power. Plus, the integration of rear lights further boosts visibility and safety during nighttime rides. Comfort is not compromised either, thanks to the inclusion of a 60mm hydraulic suspension fork, which provides a more responsive and comfortable riding experience. For tech-savvy riders, it offers seamless integration with Apple's Find My app. By adding the bike as one of your Find My items, you can easily track its location, play a sound if it's nearby, and enable Lost Mode to receive notifications when your lost bike is found. All in all, the Velotric Go 1 is a top-notch e-bike that redefines the joy of riding and is a worthy investment for those looking to rediscover the world on two wheels.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
Commuting calls for a new companion, the Aventon Level 2 e-bike, our second top pick. This innovative ride offers a 28 mph top speed and 60 miles of adventure per charge, powered by 5 levels of pedal assist. Its torque sensor gives you intuitive power when you need it, for a natural riding feel. The double-butted aluminum alloy frame supports up to 300 pounds while keeping things light, and the coil spring suspension fork smooths out bumps. With pre-installed fenders and rear rack, you're prepped for weekday commutes or weekend joyrides. And its sleek LCD keeps stats like battery level and distance traveled at your fingertips. Whether zipping to work or just out for fun, the Aventon Level 2 e-bike makes your ride faster, smoother, and more enjoyable. It's your reliable, eco-friendly transportation sidekick, ready to help you level up your daily adventures. Ready to take on city streets and rugged trails with power and comfort? The Ride 1UP 700 Series e-bike has arrived. This Class 3 electric ride boasts a 28 mph pedal assist and 20 mph throttle, enabled by a robust 750-watt motor. It offers 30 to 50 miles of range to accompany you on long commutes or adventurous escapes. The lightweight alloy frame pairs with hydraulic brakes and front suspension for smooth handling over any terrain. Customizable pedal assist and vibrant color options let you tailor this e-bike's performance and style to your personality. From the secured removable battery to the plush gel saddle and adjustable handlebars, every detail aims for your convenience. With the Ride 1UP 700 Series, cutting-edge technology and unparalleled comfort unite to redefine your riding experience. Going electric has never been simpler. Next up, we have the Moustache Lundi e-bike. Powered by a Bosch Performance Line motor and 500 watt-hour battery, this bike navigates cityscapes smoothly while promising effortless commuting. The Enviolo internal gear hub allows smart shifting, while the Bosch Smart System enables top-notch security and connectivity. Distinct Moustache handlebars and Schwalbe Supermoto X tires bring unrivaled comfort and grip to your urban adventures. Plus, the integrated battery blends seamlessly into the frame's sleek aesthetics without limiting performance. This e-bike's design clicks in accessories easily, making carrying daily essentials a breeze. With other features like hydraulic disc brakes and a color display for metrics, the Moustache Lundi redefines city commuting. More than just transportation, it's a two-wheeled statement ready to elevate your daily rides. Greet your ideal blend of comfort and agility. The Gazelle Ultimate C 380 HMB e-bike. This ride fuses touring bike ease with city cruiser zeal for an unrivaled experience. The Enviolo gear hub enables fuss-free stepless shifting so you're always in the right place. Its quiet, low-maintenance belt drive focuses rides on the journey ahead, not mechanical worries. Safety stands paramount, so hydraulic disc brakes ensure reliable stopping regardless of conditions. Plus, the Bosch mid-drive motor assists powerfully yet naturally, transforming hills and heavy loads. The integrated 625 watt-hour battery range liberates your adventuring spirit, while the Bosch Kiox 300 keeps rides connected. Commuting or exploring, the Gazelle Ultimate C380 HMB brings phenomenal stability and head-turning style thanks to a steadfast yet sleek frame. Wherever you roam, this e-bike makes a statement. Experience a sleek e-bike built for urban demands with MiRiDER One. Power comes courtesy of a smooth Bafang G 120 mid-drive motor with 80 Nm torque activated by pedal assist for natural riding. No throttle is needed. A robust 576 watt-hour LG battery enables up to 80 miles per charge. Responsive Tektro hydraulic brakes ensure control in any weather. And its 3-inch Koyang tires maintain stability across varying surfaces. The aluminum alloy step-through frame allows easy mounting for all riders while keeping weight manageable at 55 pounds. An LED headlight and Samsung tablet provide visibility and ride metrics. From customizable assist to efficient Gates belt drive needing minimal maintenance, MiRiDER One simplifies daily transportation with smart tech and reliability. It electrifies and unifies commuting needs for the future. Here's come the two-wheeled partner built for the urban commute, the Charge Electric City Bike. A smooth 500-watt Shengyi rear hub motor propels speeds up to 20 miles per hour, enabled by 5 levels of pedal assist for a natural riding feel. The integrated 407 watt-hour battery feeds up to 30 miles of adventures from workday commuting to weekend joyrides. Responsive Tektro alloy V-brakes ensure control across the ever-changing urban landscape, while durable double-walled alloy rims and Kenda Quest tires maintain stability mile after mile. The lightweight step-through steel frame allows easy mounting and makes lifting manageable during storage or transport. Plus, with included front and rear lights and fenders, the electric city bike arrives prepared to be your reliable companion, rain or shine. Whether navigating morning traffic or breezing along park pathways, Charge's electric city bike simplifies and electrifies urban transportation. Meet your sustainable riding partner, the ESTARLI E28 e-bike. Its 250-watt motor enables 15 miles per hour top speeds, while the 36-volt 10 ampere-hour Samsung battery serves up to 55 miles per charge, powering commutes and adventures alike. Front suspension smooths out urban terrain for a comfortable ride every time. Shimano Altus 8-speed gears make it easy to find your ideal cadence in any situation. At around 16 kilograms, the lightweight alloy frame provides maneuverability, while the integrated monoshock boosts elegance. The handlebar-mounted display keeps key stats visible at a glance. Equally at home, zigzagging through morning traffic as it is unwinding on a weekend escape, the ESTARLI E28 e-bike handles daily transportation with simplicity and style. With its combination of classic appeal and cutting-edge components, this British-built bike is ready to be the new staple that drives your adventures farther in a sustainable way. Experience the pinnacle in mobility and style with the EduAir e-bike, weighing just 16 kilograms even with its integrated battery. Lift this super lightweight ride easily with one hand for supreme portability. Its revolutionary carbon belt drive pairs with the torque sensor for maintenance-free riding across 30,000 kilometers. Appreciate smooth responsiveness to your movements, not messy chains. Powered by a Samsung battery, the EduAir impresses with a 100-kilometer range to push your adventure boundaries without charge worries. Count on safety from hydraulic brakes and front lights, whether commuting daily or exploring leisurely. With intelligent controls like app navigation and customer service, the EduAir ensures extraordinary experiences. This electric bike lets you choose not just sustainability, but smarter urban transportation that excites you. What if you could have a bike that's easy to carry, fun to ride, and eco-friendly? Introducing the HONBIKE U4, your perfect partner for urban adventures. Weighing in at 15 kilograms, its magnesium alloy frame folds quickly for storage and transport. Ride carefree across urban landscapes thanks to the Gates carbon belt drive that delivers low maintenance and smooth performance. Power comes from a 36-volt LG battery with an 80-kilometer range, extending daily commuting and weekend joyriding range. Tektro hydraulic brakes respond reliably in every season, while 3 levels of sensitivity assist cater to your preferences. Plus, integrated head and tail lights enhance visibility and safety. The HONBIKE U4 simplifies ownership with its lightweight portability, while packing features to enhance and electrify your rides through the concrete jungle. So, that concludes our list of 10 e-bikes for city commuting. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.